Hello, this is your channel Sosanasa One in English. I'm the engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this professional digital multimeter to measure and test this capacitor. This in my hand is a liter capacitor. Inside this can stay a lot of energy. But if you want to know how to test this electric item, we need to use a digital multimeter. In this case, we are going to use this. The first step is discharge the capacitor. Take the capacitor and touch this part and this part in this way. Now is safe touch with my finger. Ready. Now let's to power on the digital multimeter. But before, watch the connection. These are the test probe. The connection is this. This is the correctly connection. Now, this is the selector and this is the digital multimeter screen. Now here we are going to choose the modes for test this capacitor. Move the selector and choose this mode. Inside this mode, we have 4 different modes. For choose this mode, press this key. Change the mode and choose this nanofarad mode. Farad is the unit to know if the capacitor is good or not. In this way, we can know the condition, depending of the number that we read on the digital multimeter screen when the multimeter is connected to the capacitor. Now, the digital multimeter is ready. The connection is okay. And now, take the test probe and connect the test probe to the capacitor in this way. In this way, touch and touch. Let me see, be careful. Touch and touch in this way. Ready. And now watch the digital multimeter screen. Now we are reading on the digital multimeter screen 0.531 millifarads. Is the same that 531 microfarads. Press the hold key and now disconnect the test probe from the capacitor. And now watch the number on the digital multimeter screen and watch the number on the capacitor. On the capacitor, we have 560 microfarads. And here we have 531 microfarads. This means this capacitor is good because this number is inside the mistake percent of this number. The percent that we can allow is 5%. In this case, this number is lower than this, but it's okay because it's inside the percent range. And in this way, you can know if this capacitor is good or not. In this case, this capacitor is good because this number is close to the number that we read on the capacitor. And it's good in working correctly in this case. But it's not new. This means the capacitor isn't new, but it's working in this case. In this way, you can use a digital multimeter to test a capacitor like this. This is your channel, Sosanasa One in English. Subscribe, give me a like, share this video, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosanasa 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.